Hi and welcome everyone. This is Daniela for Hip Kit Club with a new moodboard inspired layout. And here is the board, and I was inspired by the blue and green elements and the branches and leaves and flowers. So yeah, I'm working with the May kits, and we have lots of green or teal colored bits and pieces here in this kit. And as you can see, I want to use one of the Page Evans papers as a kind of frame, and I place my white cardstock on top of it. And now I want to create a circle, and just using yeah my my color palette here, and I just mixed up some blue Lindy's powders, and now I have some color splashes, and yeah, this circle, and this will be the background of my layout. And this is a quick and easy way to create a circle, and it's just a tiny little line, but yeah, I think that this is a nice way to have circles on your pages. So now I take off some of the color. I don't want it to become too intense, so just some blue in combination with green, and this will be the color scheme of my page. I have got this picture, so you can see that we have greens and blues in this picture as well. We have the green grass, and we have the blue shirt and the blue sky, plus the blue stone. And that is why I have chosen to work with this picture, so I can add all the embellishments in blue and green, and this way I have a balanced page. And we were painting stones here. That is something that we did here in Germany during the first lockdown. Hope stones, and they were placed next to the street here and there. And I really like this tradition. So there are lots of beautiful cheerful stones in such a bad situation, and they just gave hope to all the people. And so we took part in this action, and that is what I wanted to document here. And I picked some flowers and leaves here from the Page Evans die cut set that we got in the kit. And what I love about these floral die cuts is that they are really, really big. Just take a look at these flowers. Really a big one, and usually we get all the ephemera in smaller sizes. So I think that here you don't need much more, because the shapes are so big. And the leaves have such pretty shapes that I don't want to add too many other embellishments. Just fuzzy cut to phrase boxes or stripes here from one of the papers. And that is the basic composition of my page. Of course, then I want to see what else I can add. I definitely need a title. There is no layout without a title. And then I can flip through the other embellishments to see what else I can add. But here we have, yeah, the basic idea. These alphabet stickers from Pink Fresh Studio come in such a pretty teal color, and yeah, I guess that I've used them on all my layouts so far. And yeah, the title here will be Stone Art, and I think that these alphas are perfect fit for the die cuts, and this is a nice color combination. Yeah, so here we go. This is the title. Now, of course, I want to see what else I can add. Maybe another flower, but I think it's enough this way. So I also checked out some of the banners, but that would be too much too. So I decided to use 3 of these puffy stickers, little banners, and they are also from the page Evans collection included in the kit. And I also add some of the tiny golden hearts. And then we also got these yeah, acrylic hearts in the kits. They are glittery and a bit bigger than the other ones. So I add one of those here, and then I want to add butterflies. So we have this butterfly paper from Page Evans, which is perfect for fuzzy cutting. So I just cut out one of the blue butterflies here, and yeah, you can have so many butterflies on your pages if you fuzzy cut all of those. And we have cheerful colors: green, purple, pink, orange, yellow, and blue. And yeah, you can make your own embellishments easily here. Yeah, I added 3 butterflies in the end. First of all, I thought that this single one would be enough, but then I fuzzy cut 2 more and placed 2 more on the page. You can see the result at the end of this video. But yeah, now I just want to add some journaling, and then of course the date the picture was taken. And then I think that this is my page. I yeah, really like this color combination for boys pictures or masculine style. So we can make masculine layouts with this kit, but also of course cheerful pinky ones. And yeah, now I just add some more color splashes. I want to have some sprinkles here and there, but only tiny little ones. And then, as I mentioned before, I added 2 more butterflies to my page, and then that's it. One of the butterflies now is on top of the flower, and then we have one yeah, next to the banners, and one on top of the phrases. Thanks so much for watching today, and have a great day. Bye bye.